Welcome back to Woodwork Therapy, or just welcome if you're new to the channel. Today we have an exciting product review for you. In this video we're going to be looking closer at the Vevor mechanic stool, a versatile and reliable rolling pneumatic creeper, garage, and shop seat designed for compact comfort and convenience during those long hours spent working on vehicles, stuff in the shop, sanding, detail work, etc. So without further ado, let's dive in. The Vevor mechanic stool arrives in a sturdy package, ensuring that your stool will be delivered in perfect condition. As we unboxed it, we noticed the sleek black and orange design that gives it a professional look. The stool is compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around the garage or the shop as needed. The adjustable height feature, ranging from 16 to 22 inches, allows you to customize it according to your preference and the task at hand. Setting this chair up was a breeze. 4 screws that screw into the chair bottom, drop the piston in the base, and the seat on top of the piston, and you're off to the races, or just less hurting feet. That works too. Comfort is key when spending hours in your garage or shop, and the Vevor mechanic stool delivers just that. The padded seat provides excellent cushioning, reduced fatigue and discomfort during long work sessions. The high-quality materials used in its construction ensure durability and long-lasting performance, even under heavy use. You can rely on this stool to withstand the rigors of any job. One of the standout features of the Vevor mechanic stool is the convenient tool tray attached beneath the seat. This spacious tray allows you to keep regularly used tools, wood glue, and painter's tape, etc. within an arm's reach, eliminating the need for constant trips back and forth to the tool cabinet. It's really a time saver and enhances your productivity by keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Moving around the garage or shop is effortless with the Vevor mechanic stool. Equipped with smooth rolling casters, it glides effortlessly across different surfaces, including concrete, tiles, and even carpets. The sturdy base ensures stability while allowing you to move freely without straining your back or joints. It's a game changer for those who value mobility and ease of use. The Vevor mechanic stool is not only limited to the automotive use, its versatility extends to other applications as well. Whether you're working on motorcycles, bicycles, sanding, detailing your latest project, carving a piece of wood, and so on, this stool provides comfort, mobility, and functionality you need. It's truly a valuable addition to any workshop or garage. And there you have it, folks. Our comprehensive review of the Vevor mechanic stool with its adjustable height, padded seat, convenient tool tray, smooth rolling casters, and durable construction. This tool is a top choice for any garage, shop, or auto repair enthusiast. Don't forget to check out the link in the video description for more information on how to get your very own Vevor mechanic stool today. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and woodworking content. In the meantime, stay safe in the shop.